how to change your currency on Airbnb. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you the process of changing the currency on Airbnb so you can just go and see the prices in the money that you actually use. So for that what we can do is we can either open up the Airbnb application or the website, use any of them. After that, log in into your account if you are not logged in. Once we've done so, we can tap on the profile icon in the bottom right and go over to our account settings. So scroll down, find option for account settings and tap on it, and we can head over to the section. Now, if you want to look out for currency section, we can go to the payment section and tap on it. After that, we go to payment method. In the very top right corner of our screen, we can usually find a section for currency. So you can just go and tap on it, and there we can choose up a currency. So right now, Chinese yuan is chosen, but if you want to choose any other or change it into any other, you can just go over and select your preferred currency. For example, USD, NPR, INR, Australian dollar, etc. So if you wanna, for example, I would like to change it into euro. So I'm just gonna select that option, and there we go. Now the payment currency has been directly chosen. Now, if you wanna switch it up, you can look out for payment method and choose up the payment method that you would like, and even select your preferred currency, and the prices will update instantly when you head back to the main page as well. Once you save of the changes, and you will be finding the changes. You can refresh the page once you've done so to look out for the changes. And that's it. This only changes how prices are displayed, not what your bank charges. Your bank may still apply exchange fees if you pay in another currency, and you can change the currency anytime. But usually, this is how you should be able to do it. So, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.